Welcome. Are you ready to take your construction business online and attract more clients? Here's how I design websites that help construction companies, architecture studios, renovation specialists, and engineering firms stand out. Key features of my construction websites: homepage that grabs attention, bold hero sections, project highlights, and clear calls to action that make visitors engage instantly. Project galleries, beautiful, organized portfolios showcasing residential, commercial, renovation, and engineering projects, so your work speaks for itself. Services pages, clean, professional layouts to highlight each service you offer, from construction and renovation to architecture and engineering. About page, share your story, certifications, and introduce your team to build trust and credibility with potential clients. Blog and insights, feature design tips, project case studies, and industry trends to position yourself as an expert. Contact page, easy to use contact forms and integrated maps so clients can reach you without hassle. Fully responsive design, looks perfect on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices, ensuring your business always shines. Customizable and professional. Every site is fully tailored to your brand and vision, no cookie-cutter designs. SEO optimized, designed to help your business rank higher on Google and get noticed by the right audience. Who I design for: construction companies, renovation experts, architecture and engineering firms, real estate developers. With over 10 plus professionally designed pages, my websites give your business a polished, trustworthy online presence. Whether you're starting fresh or upgrading your current site, I provide all the tools to showcase your work, attract new clients, and grow your business. What you'll get: a fully customized, ready-to-launch website, clean and modern design tailored to your brand, easy navigation and engaging user experience, guidance and support every step of the way. Let's build a website that turns visitors into clients and makes your business shine online.